classes and the method toString. Suppose that x is an int variable and the value of x is 25. The statement system.out.println x outputs 25. However, the output of the statement system.out.println my clock is clock at 11B86E7, which looks strange. Note that when you execute a similar statement, you are likely to get a different but similar output. This is because whenever you create a class, the Java system provides the method toString to that class. The method toString is used to convert an object to a string object. When an object reference is provided as a parameter to the methods print and println and printf, the toString method is called. The default definition of the method toString creates a string that is the name of the object's class, followed by the hash code of the object. For example, in the preceding statement, clock is the name of the object myClock's class, and the hash code for the object referenced by myClock is at 11B86E7. The method toString is a public value returning method. It does not take any parameters and returns the address of a string object. The heading of the method toString is public string toString. You can override the default definition of the method toString to convert an object to a desired string. Suppose that for the objects of the class clock, you want the method toString to create the string HH:MM:SS. The string consists of the objects hour, minutes, seconds, and the colons as shown. The string created by the method toString is the same as the string output by the method printtime of the class clock. This is easily accomplished by providing the following definition of the method toString. Public string toString string str equals blank string. If hr is less than 10, str is equals to 0. str equals str plus hr plus colon. If min is less than 10, str equals str plus 0. str equals str plus min plus colon. If sec is less than 10, str equals str plus 0. str equals str plus sec. Return str. In the preceding code, str is a string variable used to create the required string. The preceding definition of the method toString must be included in the class clock. In fact, after including the method toString in the class clock, we can remove the method printtime. If the values of the instance variables hr, min, and sec of myClock are 8, 25, and 56 respectively, then the output of the statement system.out.println myClock is 08 colon 25 colon 56. You can see that the method toString is useful for outputting the values of the instance variables. Note that the method toString only returns the formatted string. The methods print, println, or printf output the string. In this example, we give the complete definition of the class circle. Public class circle, private double radius, default constructor, which sets the radius to 0, circle, open and close parenthesis, radius equals 0. Constructor with parameter, followed by the set radius method and the get radius method, the area method, which computes the return the area of the circle, computes and returns the area, and the double perimeter, which compute and returns the perimeter of the circle. And then we have the toString method. We leave the UML class diagram of this class circle as an exercise for you. The following program shows how to use the class circle in a program. Public class test prog circle. We have the scanner in line 4. In the main method, we created the first circle and second circle as a new circle with second circle has 12 as its argument or radius. Double radius, then and in line 10, we display the first circle. In line 11, we display the second circle. In line 12, we ask the user to enter the radius. In line 13, the user enters the value for the radius. In line 15, we set the radius of the first circle to be equals to the radius which is entered by the user. In line 16, we display the first circle. In line 17, we have a condition. If first circle dot get radius is greater than the second circle dot get radius, then we display in line 18 that the radius of the first circle is greater than the radius of the second circle. Else, if the first circle dot get radius returns less than the second circle dot get radius, then we print in line 20, the radius of the first circle is less than the radius of the second circle. However, in line 22, we print the radius of both the circles are the same if both radius of the two circles are equal. We have this example output. The preceding program works as follows. The statement in line 7 creates the object first circle and using the default constructor sets the radius to 0. The statement in line 8 creates the object second circle and sets the radius to 12. The statement in line 9 declares the double variable radius. The statement in line 10 outputs the radius, area, and perimeter of the first circle. Similarly, the statement in line 11 outputs the radius, area, and perimeter of the second circle. The statement in line 12 prompts the user to enter the value of radius. The statement in line 13 stores the value entered by the user in the variable radius. The statement in line 15 uses the value of radius to set the radius of first circle. The statement in line 16 outputs the radius, area, and perimeter of the first circle. Statements in line 17 to 23 compare the radius of first circle and second circle and output the appropriate result.